Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern architectural masterpiece featuring a sleek, luxurious house with large glass windows and warm wooden accents, set in a serene natural environment. The scene is illuminated by the soft glow of ambient lighting from within, showcasing an inviting interior. Lush greenery surrounds the property, with carefully placed plants enhancing the tranquil atmosphere. A pristine rectangular pool reflects the soft colors of the sunset, creating a serene focal point in the foreground. The exterior materials combine smooth stone, wood, and glass, creating a harmonious blend of modern design and nature. A picturesque modern home featuring a charming combination of blue siding and white columns, situated in a lush, tropical setting. The house has a well-defined gable roof with a sleek metal finish, contributing to its contemporary aesthetic. The entrance is accentuated by a vibrant blue door, framed by large windows that reflect natural light. Lush greenery surrounds the entrance, with palm trees and ornamental plants enhancing the tropical feel. The pathway is composed of light-colored stones, leading through a manicured landscape filled with vibrant foliage. A contemporary stone house nestled in a serene landscape, exuding a blend of modern and rustic aesthetics. The exterior features a mix of dark stone and wood accents, with large glass windows reflecting the twilight sky. The home has a sloped metal roof and an inviting front porch with plush seating arrangements. Pathways made of large stone slabs meander through well-manicured lawns adorned with vibrant green bushes and smooth river rocks. Lush trees surround the property, framing the house and enhancing the tranquil atmosphere. A modern, single-story house featuring a blend of stone and dark wooden accents, showcasing large, panoramic windows that reflect the surrounding nature. The front porch is furnished with cozy, contemporary seating, inviting relaxation. Surrounding greenery includes meticulously landscaped flower beds and shrubs, while a lush, manicured lawn stretches in front, emphasizing a vibrant, inviting atmosphere. The scene is set during the golden hour, casting a warm, soft glow over the house, enhancing the rich hues of the materials used. A modern, two-story house with a unique angular roof design and large glass windows, set in a serene, wooded landscape during twilight. The house features warm, inviting light spilling from the interior, showcasing a cozy living space adorned with minimalist decor and greenery. Surrounding the house is a lush garden with varied vegetation, including manicured bushes, rocks, and gently flowing water reflecting the warm glow of lanterns. The atmosphere is tranquil, enhanced by a soft mist, with a color palette of earthy tones, warm oranges, and deep greens, evoking a sense of harmony between architecture and nature. Modern architectural design featuring a sleek, minimalist house with large glass windows and a flat roof, situated next to a serene pool, surrounded by lush greenery and carefully arranged rocks. The scene is set during the evening, with warm, ambient lighting emanating from the interior, highlighting the clean lines and textures of the concrete exterior. Soft tones of gray and brown dominate the palette, complemented by vibrant greens of the plants and the deep blue of the water. Pathways made of stone lead to the entrance, enhancing the harmonious connection with nature. A serene backyard scene featuring a modern Mediterranean-style villa, showcasing elegant architecture with white stucco walls and a warm terracotta tiled roof. The design includes large black-framed windows that reflect the soft sunlight. In the foreground, a tranquil swimming pool mirrors the sky, surrounded by a stylish stone patio. Elegant outdoor furniture, including sleek lounge chairs and a round dining table, invites relaxation. Lush greenery, including small palm trees and ornamental plants, enhances the vibrant atmosphere. A modern, architectural masterpiece set in a lush tropical landscape, featuring large glass walls that reflect warm golden light from the interior. The house has a minimalist design, combining wood and stone elements, with a flat roof and cantilevered sections that enhance its contemporary vibe. Surrounding the home are richly textured green plants and palm trees, contributing to a serene atmosphere. The scene is illuminated by the soft glow of ambient outdoor lighting, highlighting the natural materials and vibrant greenery. A tranquil pool mirrors the sky and surroundings, adding a reflective quality. A contemporary two-story house set in a lush autumn landscape, with large glass windows that create an inviting atmosphere. The architecture features dark wood and stone accents, blending modern design with natural elements. Surrounding the home, vibrant foliage displays rich shades of orange, yellow, and green, reflecting the seasonal transition. A well-maintained garden with subtle rock formations and carefully placed plants enhances the tranquil setting. Soft, warm lighting emanates from the interior, illuminating the living spaces and creating a cozy ambience amid the crisp, cool air. A modern architectural masterpiece nestled within lush greenery, showcasing a sleek, minimalist design. The scene is set during the golden hour, with warm, ambient lighting spilling from large glass windows. The building features a flat roof and a stone accent wall, harmonizing with its seamless integration into the landscape. Surrounding the structure, a tranquil pond reflects the evening light, bordered by meticulously arranged greenery and native plants. The color palette includes earthy tones like deep greens, warm browns, and soft golds, enhancing the natural aesthetic. Modern architectural home with a sleek design, characterized by large glass windows and a combination of stone and wood elements, set in a lush garden with vibrant greenery, featuring meticulously landscaped lawns, colorful plants, and stylish outdoor furniture, illuminated by warm, glowing lights that enhance the inviting ambience during twilight, surrounded by tall trees that provide a natural backdrop. In a hyperrealistic style with emphasis on details and textures, showcasing rich earthy tones mixed with the softness of the evening sky, conveying a sense of tranquility and contemporary elegance. Modern architecture house surrounded by vibrant flower garden, featuring bright orange coneflowers, lush green grass, and various colorful blossoms such as purple and yellow blooms, warm evening light spilling through large windows giving a cozy ambience, sleek wooden siding contrasted with stone elements, expansive terrace.